All right, language explorers. So let's look at this week's Wednesday adjective. Foreign. Foreign. To be from another country. Yeah, foreign, for example. Yes, foreign. Yeah. I am a foreigner. We are from a foreign country. There are a lot of foreign lands. Yeah. This is a foreign idea. Yeah. Very strange foreign thing. What a strange foreign thing. Okay. Yeah. They are foreigners. They're from somewhere else. They're from far away. They are from far away. They must be foreigners. Simple as that. Yeah. Yeah. So I am a foreigner. Yeah, makes sense. I'm from a different country. They might not be foreigners. Yeah, I don't think so. She is not a foreigner. He is a foreigner. So he does not know the rules. Makes sense. Yeah, does not know the rules. Yeah. I, they, she, he, it. It is a foreign idea and is strange. Don't do it. Yes, that's a foreign idea. Oh, no thank you. Yeah. Yeah. We went to a foreign land last year. I always go to a different foreign country. Yeah. I know some foreign languages like Spanish. Yeah. How cool is that? That is a foreign car. That car was made in a different country. It came from a different country. These are all foreign people. How many can you see? How many can you see? There's loads. There are loads of them. Do you like to eat foreign food? Yes. Yes, I like foreign food. There is a foreign restaurant that I like to go to, but I have not been in almost a year. Yeah, I want to go to it. How cool is that? So foreign. Yeah. I am a foreigner. You are a foreigner. We are foreigners. How cool is that? Yeah. 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 To be from a foreign country. How cool is that? So foreign. Now, can you use foreign in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video and subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more content to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for English with Adrian. And you can find me on Udemy too when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.